Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 18th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Things were going quite well today, but then things took a turn. Tesla still managed to close $1.44 up 0.20%, closed at 721.64. Post market, we are up by 75 cents. Let's look at what happened during the day. So we had the great start of the day. Big green candle with some selling pressure, but just a little bit higher than the buying pressure at the bottom. Second hour was also strong. Then we plateaued. And then between 1:30 and 2:30, the stock went down. Red candle, green candle, and now we are stabilizing pretty much where we were this morning. So after a little bit of research, what I understood is that there's this Mark Gurman guy from Bloomberg who broke some news saying that Apple would be slowing down the rate of growth of their hiring. So Apple is not laying off people. Apple is just slowing down a little bit the rate of hiring. They are still hiring people, but maybe just a little bit less. And with a headline like this, Apple to slow hiring and spending for some teams next year. If you only read this, this could be scary. And apparently this has impacted the whole market because since that time at around 1:30, then things started to go south. Apple will reduce hiring and spending growth. So instead of growing faster, they are going to grow those spendings a little bit less. This is the stock market, you guys. Things are all over the place, up and down. One day it's up, one day it's down. We could chase these news and we could react to these news, or we can choose to just look at the trend, look at where we are within the trend, and eliminate all this noise. On the 1 hour chart, we lost the stochastic over 60, but we are stabilizing a little bit above 760. On the daily chart, nothing changes for us. We have our channel and we are over 60, which is one of our main criteria. Stochastic is over 60. We opened up right here. We went higher and then came down, but we still made a higher low from yesterday and we made a higher high. And in terms of our indicators, guess what? We even have a TMI crossover. Isn't that something? So yes, I'm not saying that things might not come down in the future, in the near future, I don't know. But so far, we are still in this smaller bullish channel and we have the Tesla earnings call scheduled for this Wednesday. So this is going to be very interesting things to see. And maybe what happened today with this Gurman guy is just a little bit of a fluke. Let's look a little bit at the VIX. So VIX, we have support at 2382. So VIX had a dramatic red candle on Friday. So the volatility in the market was slowing down dramatically. We still need to clear down 2382. Today, we are just a little bit higher. But in terms of the trend, we are still in this downtrend and we still have a weak stochastic of 12. So hopefully we are going to come down close to 2382 and hopefully break it going down. Dow Jones, pretty much all of the indices reacted the same way. We had broken 31,446 here on Dow Jones. So this was nice during the day, but because of what I just told you, everything took it down terms. We still managed to make a higher low and a higher high. And we broke this downward resistance at least during the day. We still have stochastics. Let's not panic. Let's not panic. Here we are reaching this channel resistance right here. Smack on that channel resistance. We still have stochastic. NASDAQ composite, we have stochastic, and we are reaching this resistance. Two things are going to get tested this week. This is for sure. We are at resistance again in this upper wedge. This is an upper wedge here. This is horizontal. This is climbing like this. So we are making higher lows and the highs are flat. So at some point we should be breaking like this. So this is what this pattern is telling us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.